In today's very exciting video, I want to show you guys how I am able to flip small accounts to big accounts. And in today's video, we actually have a $120 account. It is a pool account that I hadn't done. There are so many pool accounts that I haven't done yet, and this one was just one of them. So we are actually going to be trading it on gold. So I'm going to be showing you guys my entire strategy, how I am able to catch entries on gold, the full strategy you need and that you can also apply, which I will teach to you for free here on YouTube. So stay tuned for my entire strategy and how we're going to grow the account. Let's grow the account. Come on.
If you don't try it, you're definitely going to lose. Or you can take a big risk and perhaps lose, but perhaps pull off the most marvelous victory in history.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, our scalp is going well on the 1 minute time frame. We have gotten full margin, so you already know we're able to flip our account. With this broker, it does have high leverage, so I'm able to do crazy flips like this. If you guys want to know my recommended broker, I would tell you guys just now. But as you guys can see, look at that, we've grown our account. Let's keep growing the account.
The reason you want it so badly is because the version of you in the future already has it. Someone also said God would not put things in your mind if he didn't think you could achieve them. A lot of us question why we think certain things, why we have certain dreams, why we feel certain ways about certain things. And that reason is because of what I just told you. These things were put in your mind for a purpose, because the future self has it already, and it is preparing you to be that future self, to be ready to become that person, to shed your current skin, to become the thing you need to be to achieve those things. So the next time you're questioning whether or not it's worthwhile or questioning whether or not you're gonna make it, remind yourself of those quotes.
Those times when you get up early and you work hard, those times when you stay up late and you work hard, those times when you don't feel like working, you're too tired, you don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is actually the dream.
Now, we actually just sold into the order block that we wanted to start buying from. Right now, we are in a liquidity zone, so you guys already know we are just trading in between that and scalping the buys and the sells. It's a very simple strategy that I am going to be teaching you guys here on YouTube. Of course, I am about to open up my free mentorship program for all those that also want to learn the strategy, but we're now here in the buy. The mentorship program is going to be free, by the way. So we're here in this buy. Let's see what actually happens. We're in full margin, so I'm just hoping that everything goes well. Stay tuned for the rest.
I don't care how bad you want to quit. I don't care how bad you want to stop, give up, turn around. Don't do it.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
You are capable of so much more. So keep getting 1% better every day and never quit. Don't stop.
You don't start things and not finish them. You don't quit. There's nothing that comes out of quitting besides knowing that you didn't finish. We finish everything. You start it, finish it.
When you start something, you better finish it. That proves you are so much capable than what your body thinks. That proves you can achieve great things even though you think the only option is to quit.
Let me be very clear. I'll never give up. Never.
Like I always say, success in trading is a combination of knowing what you're doing and wanting to take a risk. We started at 120, we're now at 599, pretty much 600, but we're still in that area of ours. Guess where we sold to though? On our moving averages, you guys can actually see that we are getting a good confirmation for a sell using our moving average. The settings, I will teach you guys all of that in the mentorship program, so please stay tuned for that. This stuff actually works and it's very guaranteed to work here on gold. I love using it on gold especially, but you guys can see we are now getting our sell. Boom. I am expecting price to start selling from this area over here. We're actually in a fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame, so I know I have so many confirmations telling me that we're now going for a sell. And here is what's going on here on our $599 account. We're in full margin. Again, if you'd also like to copy my trades, I'm about to open a copy trader. Starting from maybe about $15, $20, you'll be able to copy my trades. The same trades that I use here on my videos. All right? I would just advise that the more money you have in your account, the better, so you can be able to hold the drawdown. But usually, guys, I have a pretty good win rate. I do lose sometimes. I did just come from a very terrible loss streak, last week. That's why this week I am here going full margin, and we are here back in the market. We don't give up. I was knocked down, yes, because I did lose a lot of money. Even some pull accounts, some things just didn't go well. But I'm man enough and I'm a good enough trader to tell you guys that we also lose in Forex. It's not always a win. So as you guys can see right now on our account, we are in full margin on this trade. I am very confident with what's going to happen. For those that would love to do copy trading with me, just DM me, I guess. But I'm going to open it very soon. I will let you guys know when everything is ready. But I am going to be opening up a copy trader so you can also grow your account without really having to take any trades the same way that I do. And it's more convenient, just like taking signals, but without having to press any buttons. Let's keep growing the account.
You only learn lessons the hardest possible way. And here I am, trying my best to convince you to win. I'm not trying to convince you to lose. I'm trying to convince you to do something you should already want to fucking do, which is win. And I can't seem to get you to take action and move and work. This outcome was certain. You knew it. I knew it. And you still just laid in bed at night after an average day of meager efforts and slept like a fucking baby. You went to bed broke and slept like a fucking baby.
Let me tell you guys the people that actually find success in trading. The people that always come back. Because I'm telling you guys, we lose sometimes, but look at what we're doing. We started at 120, we're not 1,200. This is crazy. Let's close our profit and keep on growing this account. The pool account is going very, very well. Let's keep growing.
This is what hard feels like. Did you expect it not to be hard? Did you expect this thing that you're trying to achieve not to be difficult? Every other person feels the exact same way.
Do you actually want to do this or not? Because if you actually want to do it, what's going to stop you? Nothing.
You have to struggle. You have to struggle. The bigger the struggle, the bigger the peace. The bigger the suffering, the more peace.
So there will be difficult times, you will have a sore body, you will have some type of pain, but you still find something about you to still transcend this type of state.
This is the selection criteria of why most people can't do it and why most people quit.
When you're feeling the most trapped and down and nothing can go right, I feel like those are the moments that define you.
Stick in what you're doing right now, and in those hard times, believing they're going to lead to good times.
When people give up right before they get what they've always wanted to get, people quit and they give up.
People don't actually listen to me when I tell them this stuff. When you're trading Forex, don't go into there with the mindset of, I have to win no matter what. Just take what the market gives you and flow with it, all right? You're going to lose so much in trading, but you're also going to win so much in trading. And that's where the balance actually is. The balance comes from you being someone who doesn't give up as an individual. And right now, you guys can see we started at 120 and I'm still growing the account. I want to get this account maybe $3,000 or $4,000 because that's the goal. Everybody who's actually put in about $20 in this investment is getting back $400 once it's split amongst us, the 6 of us. All right? And you're here, you're still trying to figure out, why is Palm Beach more profitable than I am? Why does this guy keep on making money and flipping these small accounts? Is because I keep coming back. I don't give up. And look at this. Can you guys see that? I'm going to be teaching you guys this strategy for free. All right? Look, we started at 120. You guys are seeing me doing this live, showing you exactly where my trades are coming from. Tell me another mentor that's doing this for you guys. Right? I'm showing you guys the good and the bad in the market. I want you guys to be well versed. I want you guys to become absolute beasts in this market. And the only way to do that is to not have fear. Go full margin, but calculate it as well. But also know that we can lose. Even if I'm still a pro, I can still lose. Let's keep growing the account and see where it goes.
Take the biggest fucking risks of your entire life right now.
Risk must be taken for the greatest. Hazard in life is to risk nothing.
Don't go through life just saying, you know what, I'm okay being average. Average sucks. It does.
The person who risks nothing, has nothing, does nothing, is nothing.
You can get so scared and you can be so easily lulled into the idea that good is good enough, that feeling safe and comfortable is what you should always be looking for. That way of thinking in your 20s in particular, dead fucking wrong. I want you to start to create this mindset of taking risks and going big.
All right. Seems as if price actually came back for a retracement, you guys can see. And price actually closed a little bit of our positions. As you guys can see, we're on 1.3, but now we're back to 1.2. If you guys can see, the little retracement on the M1 actually took out some of our positions because we're in full margin. So we were actually in margin call for a little bit, but I also kind of knew that it was just trying to scare me out the trade. A lot of traders don't know how to keep their composure. That's why you're always losing, because you're not composed. When you're in a losing trade, just accept that maybe it's a loss, all right? But keep your trade going, stick to your analysis, believe in your analysis and trust in it. And I'm telling you, it will actually yield you a lot of profit. Look at what's going on right now. We are up 1.3. That's 1,300 that we are up on the account. We're now at 2,000, 2.2, 2.1. Let's add more positions as we go up. This is looking very good. All right. As we've actually added some more positions on this trade, I actually think it can get to 4K, which would actually make sure that all of the investors actually get way more than they were supposed to get. Maybe they'll be getting maybe about 500 now, 600, 550, something like that. But things are actually looking well, and that's what actually happens when you don't give up. Most of you guys are never gonna make it, not because you're not good at trading, but because you give up so easily. If you trade today and you lose today, then the next time you trade is maybe like 5-6 days from now. You've missed 5 to 6 days of potential profits. But look at that, look at the rise. Boom. Boom, just like that, we're in 4,000. We're done. Just like that. Challenge complete, $120 to $4,100. If you want your account to be traded, DM me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. If you also want to join a pull account, you can also DM me for the $50 and the $100 pull account that I'm doing next. If you want to be in the $20 pull account, DM me fast because those spots go very, very fast. If you want personal account management, we can do challenges, maybe $200 to $4,000, $300 to $6K, $500 to $10K. If you'd like those challenges, please let me know. For those that also want copy trading is going to be available very, very soon. So please stay tuned for that. If you want copy trading, DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp. If you also want to be part of the mentorship program, I am opening it very, very soon. I'm very excited for that. It's going to be for absolutely free. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I do this. It's been Palmy's Traders. We're signing out. Subscribe and like the video.